Welcome to Everyday AI Tools. If you want to work faster in your daily life, if you are a student, a freelancer, or someone doing office work, and you want technology to save your time, then this video is for you. Today we are going to talk about AI tools, but in very simple language, without technical confusion, and with real-life examples. In this long video, I will explain step by step which AI tools you can use in everyday life, how these tools can save you hours of work, and how beginners can start using AI without any difficulty. This video is a bit long, but if you watch it till the end, you will clearly understand how to make AI a part of your daily routine. Now let's start with the most basic question. What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. In simple words, AI is a technology that allows machines and software to think, learn, and help humans make decisions. AI is not a robot, and it is not something dangerous. AI is simply a smart software that learns from data and helps you do your work faster and better. You are already using AI every day, even if you don't realize it, like Google search, YouTube recommendations, and smartphone keyboard suggestions. But now AI has become much more powerful, and we can directly use it for study, work, and productivity. The first and most popular AI tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI assistant that talks to you like a human and answers your questions. If you are a student, you can use ChatGPT to understand concepts, create notes, and summarize long chapters. If you do office work, ChatGPT can write emails, prepare meeting points, and generate report ideas. If you are a content creator, ChatGPT can help you write scripts, generate video ideas, and create captions and descriptions. The best way to use ChatGPT is to give clear instructions. The clearer your question is, the better the result will be. Now let's talk about another powerful tool, Grammarly AI. Grammarly AI is extremely useful for anyone who writes in English, emails, assignments, or social media posts. This tool checks your grammar, corrects spelling mistakes, and improves sentence clarity automatically. Grammarly AI does not just fix mistakes, it also improves the tone of your writing, making it more professional, more friendly, or more formal. For students, it helps improve assignment quality, and for professionals, it makes emails clear and confident. Next, let's talk about Notion AI. Notion AI is a productivity powerhouse. It is used for planning and organization. You can write notes, create tasks, and manage daily to-do lists in one place. The strongest feature of Notion AI is that it can convert long notes into short summaries and turn messy ideas into clear action plans. If you want better focus, better discipline, and better planning, Notion AI is a great tool to start with. Now let's move to Canva AI. Canva AI is for people who are not designers, but still want professional designs. With Canva AI, you can create thumbnails, presentations, and social media posts. You simply type what you want, and Canva AI creates designs for you. For faceless YouTube channels, Canva AI is extremely powerful because it saves time and money. Next tool is Remove.bg. Remove.bg is a simple but very powerful AI tool. Its main job is to remove image backgrounds instantly. You upload an image, and within seconds, the background is removed. No Photoshop, no editing skills. Simple and fast. This tool is very useful for YouTubers, freelancers, and students. Now let's talk about Google Gemini. Google Gemini is an AI tool designed for research, quick answers, and summaries. Students can use it for study help, professionals can use it for fast research, and creators can use it for idea generation. One big advantage of Google Gemini is that it is part of the Google ecosystem, so the information feels more reliable. Now the last tool in this video is 11 Labs. 11 Labs is an AI voice generation tool. It creates realistic human-like voices for faceless YouTube channels. This tool is extremely useful. You simply paste your script, and the AI generates a natural-sounding voice. If you don't want to use your own voice, 11 Labs is one of the best options available. Now let's summarize everything. AI tools are not just technology, they are time-saving machines. If you start using AI in your daily life, you can work smarter, save hours every week, and get better results with less effort. You don't need to use all tools at once. Start with one tool, understand it properly, and then slowly add more. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to Everyday AI Tools. Comment below and tell me which AI tool you want a full tutorial on next. Make AI a part of your everyday life and get ready for the future.